remove employees from the manager department. It is displaying all the manager details among all the cities. Delete all employees. See, our database was empty because we deleted all the users. Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the project name called SQL Query Generator from language using NLP. So in our project, it allows user to speak queries instead of writing SQL manually. The system converts voice to text, pre-process the text using a hybrid NLP model that generates the SQL query automatically, executes it on a SQL database and shows the result in a Flash web application. So this is our block diagram. In our block diagram, first is a user. So user speaks the database query using natural language. So then the system captures the voice through the microphone or web interface. So this model converts the spoken audio into text using the speech recognition library. When the model analyzes the text, the machine learning model predicts the query intent and the rule-based method extract fields and conditions. So based on the detected intent and extracted values, the system automatically builds a correct SQL statement. So the generated SQL query is executed on the SQLite database to retrieve or modify the data. The output from the database is shown to the user through the Flask web interface. So this is our training code. This is for selecting the type of the query, whether it is a select or insert, update, delete. So first we are importing all the necessary libraries and then we are loading our data set. So this is our data set. In our data set, we have ID, type, text, and moreover 300 questions we have. So this is our data set. Our data set in the format of JSON format we have. So we are defining X and Y. X is the features we are taking and Y is the target column. So with the text, we are predicting the type, like whether it is a select, update, or delete column. Then here we are training our model. For training, we are using TF-ID vectorizer. Like from our data set, we are converting our text into numeric vectorized, and then after that vector is sent to our logistic regression model. So we are using here a logistic regression classification. Based on that, we are training our model. At last, we are storing our model in the name of intent underscore model.pkl. This is our NLP. So here we are doing the actual query writing. So in the NLP.py file, our system converts the user's natural language query into an SQL statement. First, the text is normalized and cleaned. Then the trained machine learning model predict the intent such as a select, insert, update, or delete. After that, rule-based functions extract conditions like a salary, department, city, or experience. Finally, based on the intent and the extracted values, our system generates the correct SQL query and return it into the Flask application. So this is our app.py. So here we are integrating our backend to the front end by using a Flask. So we are using speech recognition Python library, recognizing our audio and converting into a text. And so here we are defining our NLP. So from our NLP.py, import the SQL, like loading our model. So here we are creating our database. In the database, it stores the ID, name, email, and password. Our database name company.db. Here you can see. So this is our database. This is our speech to text. Like if you speech anything means, then our speech recognition model will recognize and convert that audio into a text format. These are all our routers. We have an index about contact router, register login router, as well as. So in the registration router, it will ask the name, email, and password. Once if you register means it will store into our database. Once if you try to log in means then it will check with the database. If it is already registered means it will allow, or else it will tell invalid credentials. So also we have a logout button here. So this is our predicted button. For prediction, first we need to log in. Once login only, it will allow us to predict. So in this prediction page, first we need to do our voice using a speech recognition. It will convert that audio into text. After that, it will generate the SQL query by using our NLP. First, it will load our model. So our model will predict the like whether it is a select, delete, insert, or update. After that, it will generate the SQL query. Delete query means on that time it will ask user to confirm before deleting. So we have a view database route also. In that we can view our database also. The command to run our code Python space app.py, then it will generate a link. We need to follow that link. Then it will open in the web page. So this is our website. Here we have about login, register, view database, and try SQL generator buttons. So we'll check with the view database. So this is our database. So we have two users, Chandru and Champa. So we have employees, 200 employees details also. This is our about page, about of our project. Like we have a login register button also. For login, we need an email address and password which we had using for a registration. So we have a start English, stop recording, and then predict SQL query. Once if you start means the audio for 20 seconds. So before you want to stop means we have a stop recording button. If you click stop recording button means then it will be stopped, or else after 20 seconds later it will stop. We'll check with the our data set. So questions.json. So this is our data set. So here we can check. So I will tell show employees from manager department. Then it will generate the SQL query and it will show the manager department details in the website. Show employees from the manager department. If we click the stop recording means then our recording will be stopped. So we need to click the predict SQL query. It's processing our voice. Once processing completed means it will show what it has recognized as a text. So as a recognized text, it is showing employees from the manager department. It is generating the SQL query. Select start from employees where department equal to manager. So it is displaying all the manager details among all the cities. Show IT employees with the salary above 30,000. So it's processing voice processing completed. IT employees with the salary above 30,000. So it's writing the SQL query. Select start from employees where department equal to IT and salary is about 30,000. So it is playing the result. So here we can see every employee's salary is more than 30,000 only. We can see. So check with the another query. Add employee name, Priya, and age 24. So it's recognizing text as a employee name and age 24. So insert into employee name, age, and values. It's recognizing our name as a and age as a 24. So we'll check with our database. So here we can see in our database, one extra row was created, like a 201. The name was and the age was a 24. Remaining all were unvalues only. Delete employees from Bangalore. So if you tell delete employees from Bangalore means then it is asking, are you sure want to permanently delete these records? If you click OK means then it will delete all the employees who are working in the Bangalore. So we'll click OK. So records deleted successfully. Now we'll check with our database. So this is our database. So city. So this is our city column. Here we can't see any employees from the Bangalore city because we are deleted. Delete employees from Delhi with the age below 25. So once if you say delete employees means then it is asking permanently. We'll click OK. OK means then it will be deleted. We'll check with our database also. So in the Delhi, all ages are 32, 42, 43, 57. Age below 25 was deleted. Delete all employees. So delete all employees means then it is deleted all the employees. So 150 rows are affected. So now we'll see our database was empty because we deleted all the users.